National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Jefferson County until 10:30 p.m. At 9:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Eureka, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Arnold, Burns Mill, High Ridge, Barnhart, Cedar Hill, Antonia, Murphy, Oakville, House Springs, Imperial, Scottsdale, Parkdale, Kimmswick, and Otto. This includes Interstate 55 in Missouri between exits 185 and 191. This also includes Mastodon Historic Site and Sandy Creek Covered Bridge Historic Site. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in St.